How to change the screen scaling and size on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to adjust your display scaling to make everything on screen appear larger or smaller. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. From there, click on Display Settings. At this point, scroll down to the Scale and Layout section. From there, click on the drop-down next to Scale. After that, select your preferred scaling option from the list. The recommended setting is usually 100% or 125%, depending on your screen size and resolution. In the next step, once you select a new scale value, Windows will apply it immediately. Check if the size of text and icons looks right for you. From there, if you want a custom scaling value, click on the arrow next to Scale to open the custom scaling option. At this stage, type in a custom percentage value between 100% and 500% and click on the check mark to apply it. Once done, sign out and sign back in for the custom scaling to take full effect. Following this, if you also want to change the screen resolution, scroll down to the Display Resolution dropdown. From there, select your preferred resolution from the list. Choosing the recommended resolution ensures the sharpest display quality for your monitor. At this point, click on Keep Changes when prompted to confirm the new resolution. From here, if you have multiple monitors connected, scroll up and click on the monitor you want to adjust before changing its individual scale and resolution settings. Finally, go back to Display Settings and confirm your scale and resolution are set correctly and everything on screen looks the way you want it. And that's it. If this guide helped you change the screen scaling and size on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.